Hello, my dear friend. I'm Agnes. Thank you so much for being here on my channel. Today I'm bringing you an amazing muffin recipe that's just perfect for those cozy, slightly chilly autumn days. Whether you're snuggled up for a movie night, enjoying an afternoon tea, having it for breakfast with a glass of milk, or packing a treat for the kids' school lunch, I promise you won't be disappointed. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. By doing so, you're also helping me share my recipes with even more people. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave me a comment below. I truly value your feedback. I read and reply to every single one. Now let's see what you'll need for this delightful treat. For the batter, 90 grams unsalted butter, softened, 100 grams brown sugar, ½ teaspoon vanilla seeds or extract, 2 eggs, 50 grams sour cream or Greek yogurt, 110 milliliters milk, 190 grams sifted flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of ground ginger, ½ teaspoon salt, 50 grams freshly toasted walnuts, apple filling, 200 grams apple, about 2 medium, diced, core removed, but skin kept 35 grams, 2½ tablespoons, brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Prepare the apples. Dice the apples. No need to peel. Remove the cores. Place in a bowl, mix with 35 grams brown sugar and cinnamon. Set aside. Make the batter. In a bowl, cream the softened butter with 100 grams brown sugar and the eggs until smooth. Add the sour cream, or yogurt, and milk, then mix well. Sift in the flour, baking powder, salt and vanilla, seeds, extract, or fresh pod. Mix until combined. Roughly chop the toasted walnuts and fold into the batter along with the cinnamon sugar apple pieces. A detailed step-by-step guide in the description below the video. Write in the comments section which cake or dessert I should make next. Did you know that baking soda only works when it comes into contact with acidic ingredients like yogurt or sour cream? That's why we use it in the batter, to help it rise beautifully. Baking powder, on the other hand, ensures the dessert bakes evenly, staying soft and fluffy. Crumble topping. Mix the melted butter, flour, brown sugar, and a pinch of salt with a spatula until crumbly. Assemble the muffins. Line a muffin tin with paper liners. Fill each cavity about 2/3 full with batter. They will rise. Sprinkle the crumble evenly on top. Fill any empty muffin cups with a little water to protect the pan. You can easily make this muffin liner yourself from baking paper. If you'd like to see how, just leave a comment and I'll show you step by step in the next muffin video. How's your baking game? Pro or beginner? Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, with fan until golden brown and cooked through. While muffins are baking, prepare the glaze by mixing powdered sugar, cinnamon, and a few drops of warm milk until thick but pourable like heavy cream. Drizzle the cinnamon glaze over the hot muffins right out of the oven. Enjoy your warm, fragrant apple cinnamon muffins with a cup of tea, coffee, or a glass of milk. If you enjoyed this recipe, you're going to love the next one showing up on your screen. Click on it and let's keep baking together.